MRET400DZ is an efficient JingDiao 5-axis high-speed machining center. The equipment by configuring two spindles to cut at the same time to improve the single machine production capacity. To achieve parts, one machine, two workpieces, efficient batch processing. Production efficiency is 1.8 times that of ordinary machine tools, parts batch processing accuracy is less than 15 micrometers. The consistency of the machining accuracy of the two stations can be controlled within 10 micrometers. Following, through a practical case to feel the processing capacity of this equipment. This is the hydraulic valve body parts in the automobile brake system. The material removal amount greater than 40%. And the types of holes to be processed are as many as 200 kinds. Using MRET400DZ through boring, reaming, step drilling, other efficient processing methods, the processing of two parts can be completed in 32 minutes, and the accuracy indicators meet the requirements. And the processing size deviation of the two parts is less than 10 micrometers. In addition to the processing of automotive parts, MRET400DZ has a wide range of applications in the processing of impeller parts and medical equipment parts, which can realize the efficient and high-precision processing of complex parts, and ensure the consistency of the processing of two station parts. How exactly is this achieved? JingDiao spokesman reveals the secret for everyone. Ensure the structural design and configuration of parts efficient machining. Y-axis of the machine tool adopts double screw drive system, which ensures the symmetry and balance of the driving force on both sides of the moving parts, improves the machine dynamic characteristics and motion accuracy, and the rapid moving speed is 48 m/min. In order to support boring, reaming, step drilling and other efficient machining methods and their tool requirements, the equipment is equipped with two coolant through spindle JD180SC of the same specifications, and a chain-type tool magazine with a capacity of 2x34, can meet the requirements of efficient machining processes for machine tool capacity, tool type and number. The waste chips produced by the double station processing at the same time are twice as much as that of the single station machine. This equipment adopts the large inclined plane funnel bed structure, and is equipped with a scraper chip removal and filtration system to ensure the timely and rapid discharge of chips. The structure design and configuration ensures the two station parts processing consistency. The equipment is equipped with a cradle turntable, and the A-axis is driven by a double torque motor, so that the double station has the same driving force and motion accuracy. The two high-speed precision motorized spindles equipped with the equipment have similar thermal elongation, vibration value and precision index. The double Z-axis of the machine tool can be controlled independently, and the tool length compensation can be established respectively to further ensure the consistency of the machining results of the double station parts. MRET400DZ key parameter